How to make a collaborative playlist on Spotify. You can make a collaborative playlist on Spotify or add someone as a collaborator to your playlist, so both of you can edit those songs, remove the songs, and add new songs. And in order to do this, all you have to do is you can add it to an existing Spotify playlist. So you can add and open the Spotify app, go to the Your Library option here. Once you go to Your Library option, you'll find these interfaces, and from here what you have to do is you want to simply go ahead and then tap on this little profile plus icon there. So you'll find this little profile like plus icon right there. You can tap on that particular icon, and here you can see it says invite collaborators and link expires in 7 days. So you have to copy the link and send it to your friend, ask them to tap on that link, and then they will be redirected to your playlist where they'll be able to accept the collaboration request, where both of you can edit the songs and do whatever else they want with the playlist. So this way you'll be able to make a collaborative playlist on Spotify. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.